back. Welcome back. Everyone say happy Friday. Happy learning.
Happy learning.
Happy April.
Happy April.
Happy Earth Month.
Happy Earth Month.
Let's count up to 29 times. Get ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. How many times do we count?
29.
What's the two numbers of 29?
29.
Let's write it in the air. Get ready, go. 2, 9. 2, 9 means what number? 29. Okay, boys and girls, how many tens? 2. How many ones? 9. Everyone say 2 tens, 9 ones, makes 29.
Makes 29.
Let's give a double splash to Simona Ulupon for being our dynamic dolphin. Get ready, go. Dolphin. Boys and girls, say congratulations, Simona. Does everybody have their letter chart? Ready? Everyone say the element of explicit instruction. Number 1. I don't hear smoking. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Stop. That's number 6. Everyone, number 6. I do. Again, number 6. Number 7. Number 8. You do. Number 9. I don't hear all of you. Number 9. Number 10. 11. 12. 13. Again, 13. Everyone say these are the elements of explicit instruction. Okay, so now, boys and girls, take out your letter chart. With your pencil, go to the last row. With your pencil, the last row. Get ready, tell me the letters. Get ready, go. Next row, touch S. Is everyone touching the letter S?
Yes.
Get ready and read it. SREBLODNC. Next row, touch the letter S. Is everyone on S? I don't see song math. Put your pencil letter S. Get ready and read it. SOGZKYASK. Next row, touch H. Get ready and read it. HUNWXTEJN. And the first row, touch A. Is everyone on the letter A? Get ready and read it. AYNJSRSWW. Everyone say yeehaw. Everyone say happy Friday. Okay, so now, go ahead and put your pencil down. You're going to tell me the letters. Boys and girls, what letter? What letter? Go back again. What letter? Q. One more time, what letter? What sound does Q make? As in quarter. What letter? Show me H. What sound does H make? As in hammer. Next letter, what letter? Girl, I don't see you. What letter? Show me E. What does the short E sound? What does the long E sound? E as in ear. Next letter, what letter? Show me letter N. What sound does N make? As in necklace. Does everyone know N? Yes? Next letter, what letter? I. Show me I. What does the short I sound? Again, what does the short I sound? As in eagle. What does the long I sound? I as in ice cream. What letter? What letter? R. Show me letter R. What sound does R R make? R as in rabbit. Next letter, what letter? And what sound does L make? As in necklace. Everyone say C-R-H-1-D. I know. It's the name of the letters of the alphabet. So make two thumbs up. Everyone, get ready to go. Continuous improvement. P. And what's our plan? So D. What does D stand for? What do we need to do? S. Are we going to practice and study every day at home? Our letters and sounds of the alphabet? Yes. Is that our goal? What's our large goal? To become, everyone say readers, our leaders at JMG. And the last one, show me A. What does A stand for? F. Are we going to do better on next test score? Yes. Everyone say continuous improvement. Okay, make a heart, send it to mom and dad, and say, where's the house? Everyone say, Angelos. Happy Friday.